Okay, I think I started a new video, so I'll have to attach two. I just read this one, I'll read it again. You have 6 3/4 minutes to complete 3 questions on a test. Do you have enough time to spend 130 seconds on each question? The first thing we need to do is to figure out how many seconds we have in 6 3/4 minutes. So in every minute there are 60 seconds. So we're going to multiply 60 times 6, and that will give us 360 seconds in 6 minutes. Now we need to figure out how many seconds 3/4 of a minute is. If we divide the clock into fourths, every fourth is 15 minutes. So if we have 3/4, that would be 15 plus 15 plus 15. That would give us 45. So we're going to add 360 plus 45, so that would be 405. We need to see how much time it's going to take. So we're going to multiply 130 times 3. That would be 390. So we need 390 seconds. We have 405. So yes, that one would work. And the last one here. Tower Bridge in London, England is 801 feet long. How many yards long is the bridge? So for this one, I know that there are 3 feet in every yard. So I'm going from, they're asking me to go from feet to yards. So I have to divide 3 into 801. I'm dividing 3 because there are 3 feet in every yard. So when I divide 3 into 8, that's 2. 2 times 3 is 6. I subtract and I get 2. 2 is less than 3. Bring down my 0. Whenever I bring a number down, I have to divide again. So what number times 3 is as close as I can get to 20 without going over? That would be 6. 6 times 3 is 18. I'm going to subtract and I get 2. 2 is less than 3. I'm going to bring down my 1. Now I divide again. 3 into 21, so what number times 3 is as close as I can get to 21 without going over, and that's 7. Then I multiply, 7 times 3 is 21. I subtract and I get 0. 0 is less than 3, I have nothing else to bring down. So my answer for this one is 267 yards. One more thing I wanted to go over with you that was not on this review is looking at line plots. So we're just going to look at a couple of these. You will have a couple on your test asking you about line plots. So here we've got game rounds, and it tells us over here that each X is 1 point. So our directions, John and his friends were playing the game Tubular Trivia. They recorded their results in the line plot below. Use their line plot to answer the questions. So the first question, how many points did they score in round 7? So if I find down here round 7, there is 1 X. Over here it tells me that every X is 1. So how many points? They scored 1 point. Number 2, did they score more points in round 8 or in round 5? So I'm going to count them. Round 8, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Round, that's 8, so round 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they scored 7 points in round 8 and 6 in round 5, so they scored more in round 8. Did they score fewer points in round 10 or in round 1? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in round 10, 10 or 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there were 5 in round 1, 8 in round 10. So which one is asking for fewer points? So 5 is less than 8. So this would be round 1. And I'm going to stop there. I need to go let my dog in. Please take your time on your test. Do your best. Do not forget about your Dreambox lessons. You need to have at least 5 by Friday. And I will talk to you again tomorrow.